Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to explain you how to use user data on an EC2 with Terraform. This is part of the infrastructure as a code series that I'm working on, and you can find the rest of the videos in the channel's playlist. But first, what is user data? User data is a feature on an EC2 that allows you to specify configurations while the EC2 is being created. These configurations can be installing software, installing packages, changing configuration files, or anything that you need from the beginning. When your EC2 is ready, those configurations will be ready as well. Therefore, I had this main.tf that I will show you so I can explain a bit more. First, here you can see this new block which is required from Terraform version 0.13 onwards, and this is the regular providers block. Also here in the resources you will see this new option called user data, and here I'm specifying what I need to be installed on the EC2 while it is being created. As you can see, I'm doing an update for the entire system, and also I'm installing HTTPD, which is Apache. This web server will help me to publish a website, a mini website, which is this one, under index.html. I'm adding this line to the index, and it will be published in the public domain from my EC2. Here, the systemctl command will start the service, the Apache service or HTTPD service, and this one it will enable the service so that after any restart from the instance, the service will be enabled as well. So you can see how powerful this will be when you are configuring a lot of EC2s and you are creating a lot of automation. So you will be able to create your own bash scripts or Python scripts, and you will be able to automate these activities. So let me show you in action. Terraform init, it will initialize my backend, it will download my AWS connector, and then I'm going to execute Terraform plan to evaluate my TF files. That should be fine. You can see the plan is to add one resource, and also those outputs they will be shown after it is completed. Finally, I'm going to execute Terraform apply with the auto approve option, and I'm going to wait until it is finished so I can show you more. Okay, it just finished. You can see one resource was added, and here are all the outputs that was provided after the EC2 is completed. Here is the public IP that we are going to use to connect. We can check in the console that the EC2 is ready. As you can see here, all checks have passed. Okay, I'm going to connect to confirm that our user data is run fine. So I'm going to connect with SSH. I already had the keys in my machine. Okay, I'm going to use the EC2 user to connect, and I use the IP address, the public one. Okay, okay, I'm in the EC2 as you can see. Then I can verify the service, which is called HTTPD, and as you can see is running, so the user data ran fine, but it was configured fine as well. Let's take a look. I'm going to check with the netstat if the port 80 is listening, and it is. As you can see here, HTTPD is listening on port 80. So now I'm going to check in the browser with the IP address directly to see our website. And as you can see, it is displaying what we expect to do. This text was added as part of the user data, as you remember here. This is the same text that we are looking at the web the web page here. One thing that you need to note is that it's not secure because it is listening on the port 80 and not 443. For that, we will need to add a SSL certificate and do more configurations that we will do in later videos. But one thing that I want to mention is that if you click on here, it will open the HTTPS and it will not load. So you need to get the IP address and paste it directly with or with HTTP only. And this is how you can use user data for automating activities while the instance is being created, and it is very helpful to have your instances up to date and with the packages that you need. This is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel and share it, please.